What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Carolina Styles, and I am back with another video. Y'all gotta excuse me. Your boy just waking up, you know what I'm saying? Y'all done brush my teeth and wash my body and stuff like that. But, today is a good day because you already know what time it is, man. If y'all see by the title and the thumbnail, we about to go ahead and get it cracking on this OBS. We got some items come in the mail yesterday, and I had to come and get something for the truck, man. We put a new steering wheel on there, man. Forever Sharp. Shop with Forever Sharp if you want to get a new custom, old school chrome steering wheel. Got the best quality, man. Good prices. You just can't go wrong with them. But I had to come right here to this good old AutoZone. So basically, I had to come to AutoZone because I had needed this right here. You're gonna need this to pull the steering wheel off. Steering wheel puller. They was about to give me the one that I can rent for like $70, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna just go ahead and pay a little $20. You know, I get my $70 back. It's gonna take them a couple days, just go ahead and give me a $20 one. The next bill that I'm trying to get, I'm gonna change the steering wheel on that one too. So, might as well have something to stash. I love ordering things and buying tools so I can keep for the future because I know I'm gonna eventually use it again. But going back to the house, got me and the wife some food, so I'm gonna go back in the house and eat, and then I'm gonna pick y'all back up and show y'all the steering wheel I got, and then I'm gonna show y'all the process of me putting it on. All right, so I got everything laid out on the hood, steering wheel. These are the part numbers if you if you need the part numbers, if you want to buy it separately. If not, if you want to buy it all together, you can. For these three, the adapter, the plate, and the steering wheel, it costs about $220 after taxes and shipping fees and all of that. So the moment or two, let me go ahead and show y'all the new steering wheel I got. Here she is. Yes, sir. There's the new steering wheel right here. The bolts for it is sitting right there. So, but anyway, man, this is the new steering wheel for it, man. That's the adapter piece of stuff right here, and I believe this right here should be the center back. That's the center cap with the horn. That's it right there. So, alright, so we inside the truck now. Basically, the only thing you gotta do is you gotta take the actual panels off, the top and the bottom panels off. Y'all know I'm wrapping mine, so I took mine off already. So basically, right here, I don't have my other phone, but right here, you got some tabs right here on this side, behind here. And then you got some tabs right here. So the only thing you use is a flathead screwdriver and you push those two out, and then you should be able to release the airbag. And you gotta unhook the airbag. Once you pull the airbag out, I advise you go ahead and undo the battery post, just in case that airbag won't flake out on you and hit you. So let me go ahead and put this phone down real quick to see if I can find a way to prop the phone up on that seat over there, so that way I can go ahead and show y'all the process. All right, so I already done took it out. So basically what you gotta do now is you gotta come back here to the back. And you see this right here? You gotta pull that out. You gotta pull that out and then press down on that tab, and then that right there come out. And just like that, airbag is off. Now we to the steering wheel. So I'm basically gonna move this wire out the way. Put it down here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and set that right there. And now we're gonna go ahead and do the steering wheel puller. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up real quick. You just basically putting the black piece right up in here, and then you put in these two in here. But first you gotta take this bolt right here off. This is a 21mm. All right, I got the steering wheel puller like it's supposed to be. Usually people use a wrench, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this socket. I'm gonna go ahead and get it off. So I'm gonna pick y'all back up once I get it off. Or I might just set y'all down on my stand. Alright, so basically to take this part off, see if I can get it zoomed in and actually focus. But you see these right here? You need a pair of these. So basically you're just gonna put it on here and open it up. Alright, now that I got that pin out, time for me to slide this right here forward. Look at this right here. We got the little wires and stuff right here. So you gotta watch that. But let me go ahead and slide this forward. And then that right there, just gotta take that off. All right, so basically this thing comes with some wires and a spring. So what you do is you put your spring in there. You also gonna get this little black piece here. You're gonna put this over this and let it slide all the way down to here. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna press in. So you got this little tab right here. A little tab gotta lock in right there. So you're just gonna push this in and twist it until it locks. Like so. So the next thing you do is you're gonna put this on. All right, now that we got that on, basically put this cover on next. We'll go ahead and set y'all down. Oh, well, almost forgot. Still got to put that nut on there. So once I get that nut on there, then we can go ahead and put the steering wheel on. All right, so this is the steering wheel right here. When they get you the steering wheel, they give you the screws, just in case if you got another one of the of this cover right here to go across it. So basically, what you got to do is you got to plug this up on the inside. But this wire right here, you're gonna have to splice it and come in here. You're gonna have to undo that bolt and put this wire in between there and hook it up to the thing so your horn could work. So let's go ahead and do that now. Now that I got both of those in there, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the steering wheel. And the next part of the video you see is the steering wheel fully on. And there she go. It's the final look. So I'm gonna take the dash belts off. I know I got this stuff hanging, but all this is about to come off and I'm about to do that right. But steering wheel is in, ready to go. All I gotta do now is just cut the truck on, get the wheel straight, ready to ride. She ain't gonna be really ready for the season, but I'm getting her closer and closer. So anyway, y'all already know. It's gonna be the end of today's video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, hit that notification button, come rock with the style gang. Y'all know my slogans. Y'all know how I get down, man. But this is just one of the installs. This is just one of my major installs that came a little early. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and try to get all those ready. If y'all haven't noticed, on TikTok. I actually got these rims cleaned up real good. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the rims again, but me and the old lady gonna slide, you know what I'm saying, in the OBS now that I got the steering wheel on there. So it's your boy Carolina Styles. I'm signing out. Peace.